मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Move from here, Chaitya.
Watch closely.
Where?
Hey, it's me. Today I have one good news and one bad news. So which news you will like to hear first?
You'll be telling the bad news first anyways.
Then listen. The bad news is that two thieves named Chanku and Manku are roaming in your area. The two thieves.
Huh?
Yes, you heard right. Two notorious thieves are roaming around in your area. So be careful. A moment's carelessness can lead it to disaster.
And what is the good news?
Tonight from 8 to 10 p.m., the power in your area will be cut. But the meter will be running.
How is that a good news?
For the thieves, this is the good news, isn't it, Uncle? And now I'll take your leave. Bye-bye, audios with cameraman Glance. This is your reporter, Sannata. Bad news until tonight.
Yay! It's going to be fun. We will play a lot. Yay!
Sannata did say that the power would go out tonight.
Yes, brother. That's why we had dinner very early today. Oh God, there are so many mosquitoes here. Here, the power is out.
And Tapu 602.
Hey. Oh, what, Dad? You are still killing mosquitoes only?
Hey, Jeshalal, wait, I'll take it out.
Hey, Tapu, does anyone play with a ball in the dark?
Then what should we play, Dad?
Hey, in our time when the lights went out, we used to play cops and robbers. And we used to play police and thief.
Very good idea, Uncle Bhide. Dad, Grandpa, Uncle Popat, Uncle Hathi, come on. Let's all play cops and robbers together.
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go. Now, who should the police be afraid of?
I mean,
I will be the policeman, right?
no, I will be the policeman.
No, I will be the policeman.
Hey man, I will be the policeman.
I will be the policeman.
I will be the policeman.
I will.
I will be.
I will.
You all be the robbers and we the kids party will be the cops and catch you.
Yes. And that too red-handed.
Even the police of 11 countries haven't been able to catch us till today.
Why couldn't they catch you?
Yeah, because we haven't done anything wrong till today, brother.
Yeah. Dad, we will count to 10. You all go hide by then. And yes, Uncle, you are not allowed to go outside the society.
Okay, start the count. But you have to count till 10. No cheating.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, no, not yet.
5, 6. Should we count?
Not yet.
9, 10. Here we come. Huh? Let's go, partners. Ready? Yes.
Come quietly. Hey, idiot, hide yourself. Up. Okay. We play hide and seek with people. Today we will commit our third theft here.
Oh, my bag is still half empty. Only after filling it will mission lights out be complete.
Mango, look over there. How the entire society is plunged into darkness to welcome us.
Oh, but the people standing to welcome us are nowhere to be seen, Changu. Hey! Hello! Where are you people?
Oh, you dumbwit. At least light up your brains bulb sometimes.
But where is the light?
Listen very carefully, my son. We are not here for feast, but to steal, to steal.
Oh, so does this mean our feast is ruined?
Now how do I explain this to him? Do one thing, my son. Just follow me, just.
Okay, I understood. Follow me.
Inspector Gogi and Inspector Goli. Yes, sir. We have received a tip that some clever thieves have entered our society, and we have to catch them no matter what.
Look, the people have also come to welcome us.
Listen, you fatty kid. If these people welcome us, it will be difficult to even walk away from here.
Do these people feed so much?
Sure, they do feed, but only kicks and punches. Quickly find a safe place and hide.
Hide?
They are there. Get them.
Hey, don't run, kids. You will get hurt.
Yes, Grandpa. Where did that voice come from? The voice came from there. Let's go there and see. And Inspector Gogi and Goli, you two go check upstairs.
Yes, sir.
Aren't Uncle Hathi and Uncle Popatlal hiding a little backwards? Not a little. They are hiding completely backwards. Inspector Sonu, arrest them. Oh, thieves, thieves! Catch them, thieves!
Who are you?
Hey, I am thief. A thief.
I understand. Aren't you that big fatty kid, Mango?
Yes. I am the one, the same. Wow, even the thieves know me now. Hearing this, Changu will be very happy and will praise me.
Hey, I am Changu, and neither I will be happy nor I will give you praise.
Why, Changu?
Because we are playing hide and seek with people when we will commit the third robbery here.
Hey, my sack isn't yet full. Let's hope our mission lights out doesn't remain incomplete.
Come on, get to work.
Oh, wow, a toothbrush. I'll take it. It's been long time since I brushed my teeth. I'll take the paste too.
Stop there! I know you guys are hiding in here. Come on, raise your hands and come out quickly.
And now there's no point in hiding behind the curtains. Come out. We have been caught.
What happened to you, Uncle? Did you fall into flood or what?
Why are you laughing? Huh?
Has this police officer shrunk or have we gone bigger? Hey, turn off the torch, little police. It must be shining in Chango's eyes.
Who are you people?
Changu Mangu. This is Changu and I am Mangu.
Huh? Hey,
The bad news is that two thieves named Changu and Mangu are roaming in your area.
I got it. You guys are the real thieves. Uncle Sanata told about you on TV this morning.
Oh, wow. Your memory is very sharp, kid.
My voice is also very sharp, Uncle. Thief! Thief!
Changu, he snatched our sack. It had all the goods from the previous thefts also.
Hey, stop crying and catch him.
Come on, Uncle, come on! Sometimes Tappu's after the thieves, sometimes the thieves after Tappu. Too much fun! Dad! Grandpa! Uncle Hathi! Everyone come outside! Thieves have entered the society!
Yeah, Dad, yeah, come out quickly. Thieves are in the society. What is this, Dad? You also fell for Tapu's words. Hey, this is his trick to catch us.
Sonu, look!
Hey, where did these kids go after tricking us? Let's go find them. This time, let's take the back route. Aha.
Come on, Uncle! We were waiting for you at the back as well!
Look, is this the rope? Come on, let's climb up with this.
Inspector Gogi, jump! Inspector Goli, jump!
This kid how defeated us. How do we snatch the bundle back and complete mission lights out? Let's go!
Our bundle.
You want it? Then come and get it.
Let's go. Oh, wow. What is the smell? Let's eat first.
What are you doing? Perfume, wow. Mango, this time with full caution, okay?
Okay, Changu.
Come on, Tapusina. Next plan.
Changu, save me, save me.
I am behind you. How can I serve you?
In charge. And some of
It was useless coming here.
Oh, these kids have looted our treasure.
Huh? This mosquito is still biting, Dad? Dad, no.
This is cheating, Jetalal. Now we will never play with these kids again.
Oh man, we have been hiding here for so long. But no one came looking for us.
What? Tapu! Hey kids, who are you all playing cops and robbers with? We are all hiding over here.
with real thieves, Dad.
Are there real thieves upstairs? Oh, they will clean out my entire house.
What to do now? How do we catch them?
Don't worry about this, Uncle. Tappus police force has not only caught them, but also recovered all the stolen goods.
Eh?
Take a look at this. And this too.
Look closely.
What is that?
Not me, but these brave kids.
Hi.
Because of whose bravery, 2 cunning thieves have been caught. Cameraman,
With a glance, tell them that ruined their night for ya.
Hey, Daya, are you cutting cucumber? Let me show you how to cut it.
Oh, wow! Wow, Dad, wow!
Hey, where did the cucumber pieces go?
Over here, Jade. Yeah.
Oh, Dad.
Move aside. Move aside.
Listen very carefully. Today I have for you.
Yes, brother, I know. There is one good news and one bad news.
No, sir.
Huh?
Today I only have one piece of bad news.
Oh my goodness me! Oh my goodness me!
First, listen to the news, please.
Yes, sorry.
Look closely.
To whom, brother?
Shut up, man. You're cutting my flow.
Hey, speak up, brother. What do you want to say?
Look very closely at these innocent children playing around you.
And
Oh,
Your innocent children could be kidnapped.
huh?
Dad, what are you doing?
Huh?
Two kidnappers named Luka Chubi are roaming in your city. Be careful. A moment of distraction can lead to mishap.
Hi, Goli.
You didn't bring your cycle today, Tappu.
No, man. Dad arranged a school van for me. Oh!
But why?
Because two kidnappers are roaming around. You guys be careful on your way too.
Bye, Tappu.
Bye.
Luca! Chuppy! Luca! See you will be Chuppy! Yeah!
Oh? What are you doing, Uncle?
I am trying to catch you. Smart, very smart. Uncle is trying to play tag with you, son.
Okay, playing tag. Uncle, I'm the champion of this game. Champion! Catch me? Come on, Uncle, catch me. Yes, What? Uncle, here! This is so much fun, Uncle. Come on, catch me. Yeah! Yeah! Oh? What? Uncle, here! Is that all? I want some more! How did you like the free airline service? Oh, hey, the uncles have fainted. Grandpa says we should always help those in need. Maybe their address is on their phone. Huh? Take a left from here, uncle. Left. Stop right here. Their GPS is showing this location. There you go.
Wait, please wait. Let us go. We haven't done anything.
Uncle, wake up, uncle. You guys fainted while playing tag in the park.
Then why did you imprison us in your own home?
This is your house, uncle.
How did you find out our hideout? I mean, our house address, kiddo?
From the GPS on your mobile.
Oh, that's very interesting. Our mobile has GPS too.
Yes, uncle. Look, it shows your complete location, where we are at this moment. Wait, I will send this location to my friends right now.
Give the mobile to me. If you send this location to your friends, we will have to change this location also. Oh, I don't understand. Where does it turn off from?
Okay, uncle. I will be going now.
Smart, very smart. We have kidnapped you, kiddo.
Oh, kidnap? Are you those two kidnappers by any chance?
Yes, we are. Luca.
Chuppy,
Luca.
Chuppy.
We are the kidnappers.
But uncle, I came here on my own and I even brought you with
It's
me.
one and the same thing. Whether the knife falls on the melon or melon falls on the knife. In the end, melon gets cut, right? Tell us your home address, kiddo.
But uncle, when I'm hungry, I can't remember anything.
Okay, kid, tell me, what do you want to eat?
Uncle, I want to have pizza.
Son, this uncle makes very delicious paratha and potato curry.
Pizza! Pizza! Pizza!
All right, man, all right. Take this money and bring pizza.
Hey!
B.
CDELGHIJK.
LMNO.
Got stuck, didn't you, you fool? Are you more educated than me? By the way, where are you heading?
From PP, I remember I am going to get pizza.
Why is the child screaming?
He is insisting on eating pizza.
How many children do you have?
Just one has made my life hell, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector Palto Singh.
Sorry, sir. It was a mistake by mistake. Dashing Inspector.
Right? Sir, look at this. How much his face resembles?
That's not him. There were two of them and this is one. Go. Bring pizza for the kids. And listen, bring 2 garlic breads for me as well.
Nom nom.
No, Luca! I have brought this for the dashing Inspector Palto Singh.
Hey, who is this dashing Inspector Palto Singh? Huh?
The same person whom I met outside.
Oh, wow, so interesting. The police have found their way here looking for us. kiddo, you have eaten the pizza also. Now tell us your home address.
I can't seem to remember.
Then at least give us your home telephone number.
1 0 0.
Oh, idiot, this is the police's number. Here you go, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector.
Sorry, dashing Inspector. Here are your garlic breads.
So you had called 100 number to give this to me?
Yes, yes, indeed.
Then it's fine. We don't like it when someone calls us for work.
Look at this, sir.
Oh, yes? No, no, this is not him. There were two of them. This is one. Round Singh.
Yes, Inspector.
Let's go on our round.
I'm getting really bored here, Uncle.
Smart boy. Now quickly tell us your address.
Yes, on one condition, Uncle. First, you have to bring my friends here. Then I will tell you my home address.
What's the benefit of bringing his friends here?
Hey, idiot, more kids, more money.
Dad, balloon! Kidnap!
Hey, where did my gogi go?
Move from here. Kidnapped. Oh dear, where did she go? Kidnapped.
Where have we come, Tapu? Here?
Wasn't I telling you about the kidnappers outside the school?
Yes, yes.
These are the two.
Hello, kids.
Does this mean we have been kidnapped? Only I have been kidnapped. Okay, tell me, what will you all eat? This chubby uncle's pizza is very tasty.
He makes.
No, he brings it. For me, a mushroom pizza with extra cheese.
A double-decker burger for me. Pizza for me too. And juice.
Oh. Hey, idiot, we are not waiters, we are kidnappers. Kidnappers. Stop acting like waiters, you moron. Wow.
But uncle, we all are very hungry. You will have to order pizza and juice for us.
Hey kids, pizza and juice are very harmful, you know. I'll do one thing. I'll make lemon juice for every one of you. It will be fun, you know.
Pizza, pizza,
Sell this and bring pizza and juice for them.
I have already recited ABCD for you, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector.
Yes, that's the one. Dashing Inspector.
Where are you going?
To get pizza for the kids.
To get pizza for kids? How many children are there?
4. 4.
pizza, 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 pizza.
I'm leaving. Otherwise, these kids will create a ruckus.
There was only one child in the afternoon. How come it became 4 so quickly? Where is the kidnapper's poster, Round Singh?
There's the poster.
Hey, the poster!
Hey kids, it's about to be night. Don't you want to go home? Quickly tell me your home address.
It's no use, uncle. Our parents won't give you a single penny. They will say you can just keep us with you. Your whole plan is wrong, Uncle.
How's that?
If you had kidnapped my dad instead of me, you would have got any prize you asked for.
Where should I kidnap your father from?
Wrong question again. You should be asking that how to kidnap my dad. Come here.
Oh, very interesting. ITIRST. Take this, sell this too.
Hey, hey. Hey.
Here, throw the ball.
Kapu, what is this mischief, huh?
It's not mischief, it's reality, Dad. We all have been kidnapped.
What?
Now, whatever you have, take it out quietly.
Brother, I have only this much money, which I came here counting. Here, take this.
Smart boy.
Hey.
Now tell me quickly, where do you keep your money?
My money. Daya handles it.
Paper, scissor.
Hello.
Daya, how did you get here?
My brother got me here.
Oh, Sundar. When did Sundar come here?
Oh no, the one a kid's game is named after.
What, Tag? Oh, Daya, how can Tag be a brother, huh?
Oh no, the one kids do when they make a mistake.
Daya, will you stop playing this hide and seek of words? Huh?
Yes, that one.
What? Luca? Luca is the name of this kidnapper.
No, Chuppy. My brother Chuppy brought me here. This brother Chuppy told me that you needed money. So I brought the money for you.
This Daya will one day get me robbed for sure.
Here you go, Tappu's father. I brought everything I had.
Hey? Hey Daya, today for the first time I'm happy about you being like this.
But Tappu's father, please tell me why you are hiding here with all the children of Gokuldham.
Hey Daya, we have all been kidnapped.
Oh my goodness me. I will go get the police right now.
Hey.
No one can leave until you give money to me.
Here you go.
Huh? Not coins. I want notes. I have already spent so much money. My gold chain and bracelet are also gone.
I don't have notes. But yes, Sodiji is supposed to give us our money today. Kidnapped!
That money I have kept with Roshan.
Kidnapped! Oh, Daya, today I made spicy okra just the way you do. Look, it has turned out very delicious.
Oh wow! I also love spicy okra. I am fed up with you. Sometimes you want this, sometimes that. Have you come for a feast?
But uncle, we are your guests, aren't we?
Not guest. You people are devils. Do you understand devils?
Stop, you fool!
Hey.
Just tell me straight, where is the money? I will count to 3.
Why? Don't you know how to count beyond that, uncle?
Oh, you turned out to be a huge devil. Oh.
Huh? Oh, that's that. Yeah!
Very interesting. Dashing Inspector, arrest them.
Yes, they have robbed us, ruined us.
Yes, they ate up my gold chain, ring, watch, everything.
Both match. How long will they play hide and seek with us? Thank you, Google. I'm so sorry.
You're welcome, sir.